Hello everyone. This is topic assessment. Let's start video. Assessment. It is the systematic and the continuous collection, validation and the communication any client of client data. Communication of client data. Assessment includes the health history and the physical assessment. This is patient assessment, collection history, vital signs and data. Assessment, observation of the patient plus the interview of patient and the family plus examination of the patient plus review of medical record. Type of the assessment. Assessment types. First type, initial assessment. Assessment performed within a specified time and the admission. Example, nursing admission assessment. Example, nursing admission assessment. Second type, problem focused assessment. This determines the status of the specific problem. This determines the status of the specific problems. Identify in an earlier assessment. Example, problem of urination. Problem of urination, the example. Assess on fluid intake and the urine output. Hardly. Emergency assessment. Emergency assessment. Rapid assessment done during any physiology, psychology carriers of crisis of the client to the identify life. Treating problems assessment of the clients. Airway, breathing status and the circulation after a cardiac arrest. Collection of data. Assessment and second, collection of data. In means gathering of the information about the client. Type of data. It is of two types, subjective and the objective data. Two types data. Number one, subjective data. Second, objective data. Subjective data. Data asked from the patient. Where patient feel. Subjective data. Data asked from the patient. Whatever patient feel. Objective data. It can be the seen or measured by the doctors, nurse. Subjective data. Patient information in subjective data. Objective data in patient illness depend or doctor. Objective data. History collection. Biography data. Name, address, age, sex, marital status, occupation, religion. Biology data. Reason from the visit. Chief complaint. Primary reason why client is sick. Consultation of hospitalization. Primary reason why client sick, consultation or hospitalization. History of the present illness includes. History of present illness includes usual health status. Usual health status. Chronological history. Family history. Disability assessment. Past health history. Include all the previous immunization expressions with illness. This patient present illness and the past illness history collection important.